Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Mate X7 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find biometrics and password. So now let's tap on Fingerprint ID. And if you do not have any kind of screen lock, a regular screen lock, you need to add it right now, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password. So it is crucial and you cannot really omit that. So let's tap on OK. We can change the password type, so you can use either the pin, custom one, so not 4-digit but longer, pattern or alphanumeric password. I'll pick pattern, so let me quickly draw it, redraw it and tap on done. And now we can either decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for, or simply tap on new fingerprint. I will just mark unlock device, and basically the result is same, so we will be just transferred to this adding section. So here we've got the information what we need to do. So we have to slide in circle our finger on the power button, which is right here, and it has built-in sensor. And we've got also the information that we do not really need to lift our finger, just place it and slide it in the circle. So let me do it. Let me place it and then circle, and as you can see here we've got the information, everything is all right. We need to keep moving, move finger slowly, cover the center. To be really honest, I'm not the biggest fan of this this way of adding. I mean, I'm trying to do it as it's said, but it is not really I don't know, comfortable for me. But that's okay. Just tap on OK. I don't want to set the face recognition. And here we've got, as you can see, more options to choose from. And here we can decide how we would like to unlock our screen. So we can either only rest the finger or rest it and press the button. And the first option is much more comfortable in my opinion. We can decide whether we want to feel the vibration when the fingerprint is not recognized. It's up to you. This is the fingerprint list. We can add up to 5 different fingerprints. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. So let me lock the device and let me check if it is working. And as you can see, even though that the whole process was not really comfortable, the sensor is really sensitive and it unblocked the phone immediately. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.